This pest control company was paying around $98 for every single lead and only getting 5 to 6 leads a month. 2 months later, that same account was bringing in 67 leads at a third of the cost. Here is exactly what we have changed. Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I am breaking down a real Google AdWords case study from one of our pest control clients, a local pest removal company serving multiple cities in Ontario. If you run ads for a home services business, this one is for you, because the mistakes we found in this account and the mistake almost every service business makes. When the client came to us, they already had a search campaign running that was producing around 5 to 6 leads a month at a cost per lead of around $98.32. Not great, but not the worst part. They had also tested the PMax and the search plus display campaign in the past. Both were paused. Why? Because they were only generating 2 or 3 leads a month at an even higher cost per lead. Basically, the campaigns were being created and they left to just spend budget on their own. So before we touch anything, we asked the client for the account access and ran a full audit. And this is the part I really want you to pay attention to, because this is where the real money was being burnt. Here is what we found. Only one ad per ad group, no ad copy variations being tested at all. The headlines and descriptions were short, generic and forgettable. No audience targeting for the exclusions applied. No negative keyword list, meaning irrelevant searches were hitting the budget. No placement exclusions on display and the performance max. Basically, these campaigns were built for clicks, not conversions. And that's the mistake. Creating a campaign is step 1. If you don't test, refine and optimize it after launch, you are just paying Google to spend your budget. We put together a strategy, walked the client through it and asked for the time to properly test and refine instead of just tearing everything down and rebuilding blind. Over the next 2 months, here is what we did. We have launched a new campaign built around the client's Google business profile to capture high intent local searches. Wrote and tested multiple ad copy variations, different headlines, different angles to see what actually converted. Restructured the keywords using phrase match and exact match so we controlled exactly what searches triggered the ads. Built out a real negative keyword list to cut the wasted spend. Refined the audiences, added the right ones, excluded the wrong ones, excluded poorly performing placements that were draining budget with zero return. None of this was a one-time setup. It was ongoing testing, checking the data, adjusting and repeating. So here is where it landed after 2 months. Leads went from 5 to 6 a month to around 67 leads in a single month. Cost per lead dropped from $98 to around $32. That's a 67% drop in the cost per lead, while the lead volume went up more than tenfold. The client's original goal was 10 to 15 leads a month. We didn't just hit that, we blew past it by more than 4 times. If there is one thing to take from this campaign, launching a campaign is not a strategy. Performance max, search, display, it does not matter which one you pick. Without the ad testing, negative keywords, audience refinement and the placement control, you are just funding Google's ad revenue, not your own leads. So if you have any campaigns running in the similar niche, you can contact us for a free audit. There is a phone number on top right corner. You can contact us on WhatsApp. We will be able to look at your PPC accounts and then we can send you the audit. In the audit, we will be able to let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. But on the other side of things, if you do not have anything running, you can just share with us some basic information. It can be the website URL, the monthly budget and the location targeting. We can do the research. We can get back with the plan of action on what you can do to bring your business online to the next level. Thank you for watching the video.